Hello, this is Missy Gautier with Phoenix Family Homes. Today I'll be talking about the importance of having home insurance. So you finally found the house that you believe will be perfect for you and also for your family. Now you have to shop around and get the home insurance that's required prior to closing on this home. Home insurance? Why do I need home insurance, you say? I already have medical insurance. I already have car insurance. Why do I need to add another payment of insurance on something that I probably won't even need? Good question. The answer is because it is very important. Home insurance helps you pay for damages from everything ranging from fire to theft. The cost of the home insurance and what's covered also varies from provider to provider. So let's cover what's included in your home insurance. It covers the dwelling itself, which is the home. It also covers things attached to it, such as the garage or deck. Other structures it may cover will include your gazebos or sheds that are detached. It covers personal property such as your electronics, your furniture, and clothing. Items of this nature you want to make sure you have serial numbers for or receipts for so that you can have it as proof of owning it within the home. It also covers loss of use, living expenses from temporary housing if you do have to move out of the home for some reason. It also covers medical payments. This covers guests who are injured while on your property. Some of the other items that are covered in many of the home insurance policies include fire or lightning strikes, vandalism, some types of explosions, like I said before, theft, falling objects, smoke damage, damage from freezing, windstorms, hailstorms, vehicle damage, and also it can be damage from sudden unintentional water overflow, such as if a pipe bursts. It can also, some areas, some policies have coverage for the weight of ice or snow or sleet. So it's very important for you to search around from company to company to see what they cover, how much it costs for that coverage, and different items within. There are items that are not covered by your home insurance that you also want to make sure you know prior to purchasing your home and prior to purchasing that particular home insurance policy. Items such as things from certain natural disasters or particular home damage that is not covered include flooding. Flooding is a major occurrence that is often not covered from the general home insurance. So you want to make sure that your home is not sitting in a flood zone prior to purchasing it. Also, things that occur from earth movement, such as landslides or earthquakes. If you live in places where that happens often, such as California, you also want to make sure if you are required to have a separate policy for earthquakes or landslides or the damage that it may cause from one of those. Also, hurricanes. So if you live in an area such as Louisiana or Florida or anywhere on the coast that often has hurricane damage, make sure that you have a policy that covers damage from those particular natural disasters, because often it is not covered in the general home insurance policy. And some items that are not often thought about that are not covered in your home policy include pests. So if you have an infestation of termites or bed bugs or mice, that will not be covered in your home policy. However, if they cause a problem such as a rodent chewing through the wire that starts a fire, then that may be considered, just depending on what property home insurance you have. The other thing that's not covered would be mold or rot, or particular plumbing or sewage issues. Now, they might cover the damage made from the water of a burst pipe, such as sheetrock or something of that nature, but they will not pay to replace the actual piping or plumbing issue. So make sure you read all of the fine um, print when you are purchasing a home policy. Make sure you ask plenty of questions so that you know what you are fully covered for and what you are not. And keep in mind, there are things that will exclude you from getting certain policies as well, such as a particular breed of dog. Some policies will not cover that, especially if they damage things within the home because of the dog. And if you have a home that you're purchasing that has an older roof, it may be harder to get home insurance on that home due to the condition that the roof is in. So once again, make sure that you know your home, know the home that you're trying to purchase if it's a new home, and understand what is covered and not covered in the home insurance policy. Have a great day.